My name is Dr. Harold Neyra. I'm a general and bariatric surgeon here at HCA Florida, Oviedo surgical specialist. In bariatrics, we've been primarily doing two procedures, the gastric bypass and the sleeve gastrectomy. So since I do a lot of bariatrics, my interest is in foregut surgery, meaning that in the upper abdomen, meaning stomach, esophagus, hiatal hernias. That's my personal interest. I would like to drive my practice into that. But as a general surgeon, we take care of anything that comes in through the door, through the emergency department. In general surgery and in bariatrics, we are now using the robotic system, which allows us to really be so much more precise, so much more detail about the dissection. The incisions are still very small, as with laparoscopic surgery, but it allows us to really have a tremendous increase in the visibility and the ability to get into places that in the past we were not able to with laparoscopic surgery. So I think, being a smaller hospital, we're able to give that, treatment for our patients. More personalized treatment. I'm able to, call my patients if they call me on the same day. If they need to reach me, they can reach me right away. I'm able to run to my office and see my patients right away if needed, because the hospital is very nearby my office. So that, personalized care is, I think, what drives my office. All of my staff is bilingual, including myself, so we do serve our Spanish community quite a bit. We're able to help them in their primary language, so I'm very proud of being able to serve my own community as well.